If you want to type in GIMP, whether you're making a thumbnail, adding labels, or creating a simple graphic, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit. Once your project is open, look at the toolbox and find the text tool. It looks like a big letter A. You can also use the shortcut key T on your keyboard to activate it instantly. This is the fastest way to get started when you want to add text to your design. Now that the text tool is selected, click anywhere on your image canvas to create a text box. At this point, you have two different ways to enter text. The first option is a dynamic box. If you single click on the canvas, GIMP will create a text area that expands sideways as you type. This is useful when you want one long line of text without worrying about wrapping. The second option is a fixed box. To do this, click and drag your mouse to draw a boundary for your text area. This gives you much more control over the shape of the text region, and it's especially helpful when you want your text to stay inside a specific section of your image. With a fixed box, your text will automatically wrap to a new line when it reaches the edge of the box. So if you're making a thumbnail or a poster, this can be the better choice. Once your text box is ready, start typing your message using your normal keyboard. You'll see your words appear directly on the canvas. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect yet, because you can still customize everything after typing. The important thing is to get your text on the image first. After typing, you can format the text using the floating toolbar that appears on the canvas, or by using the Tool Options panel on the left side. This gives you a lot of flexibility when styling your text in GIMP. If you want to change the font, click the font box and either type the name of a font or scroll through the fonts installed on your computer. Choosing the right font can completely change the look of your design, so take a moment to experiment. You can also adjust the size of your text using the size setting. Depending on your project, you may want text that is bold and large for attention, or smaller and more subtle for a cleaner layout. Simply change the pixel or point value until it looks right on your canvas. Next, you can change the color of your text by clicking the color box switch. This opens the color picker, where you can select any color you want. This is great for matching your text to your background, your branding, or the overall style of your image. You can also control alignment. Use the justification buttons to align your text to the left, right, or center. This is very useful when you want your text to look neat and balanced, especially in designs where spacing matters. If you're adding multiple lines, alignment becomes even more important because it helps your text look organized and professional. In many cases, center alignment works well for thumbnails and titles, while left alignment is often better for captions or more readable layouts. As you work, remember that GIMP lets you keep adjusting your text after it has been created. So if you want to change the font, resize it, or update the color, you can always go back and fine-tune it until it looks exactly how you want. And that's really all there is to typing in GIMP. Select the text tool, click or drag to create a text box, type your message, and then customize the font, size, color, and alignment to fit your design. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.